Right, here we are, walking along the Mickleden Valley.
Okay.
So we're going to go to the end, and then hopefully if we're fit enough,
Yep.
either go up one, the left or the right. One stake pass, I can't remember what the other one's called. So I'm out today with Nigel. So it's his first walk out in the lake. He's nearly 60. So we're going to see if we can get up the hill, because it's pretty tough if you haven't done it before. So I think he'd better do it, but if he does it or he doesn't, I'm going to film him struggling. Listen how quiet it is.
Yeah. Unbelievable, isn't it? Beautiful. Oh yeah. Just you need this.
And you know that saying, silence is deafening.
And it's like so good for you.
Yeah, this is the one, because it's a bit misleading, isn't it? When we was there,
All right.
it didn't look as far, but now it's quite. See them little people there.
Yeah.
So, which do you want to go, left or right? I've been up both of them.
Right.
One's easier than other.
Well, we'll do the whatever one you want to do.
No, you.
No, I haven't decided. No, I don't.
If you're a gambling man, which one would you go, left or right?
I don't mind, mate. Honestly.
No, but if you was to pick, left or right?
Left.
Left?
Yeah. Is that the easiest?
You just pick the hardest. Look how beautiful and clear that water is.
Would they have fishing there then?
I don't know. What do you reckon that is, about 4 foot?
Yeah, it'd be nice in there. Nice to do a bit of swimming when it was hot. Yeah, it's quite deep in that corner.
Beautiful, isn't it? Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's been quite a steady walk so far, just along this valley floor. But when we get to the distance up there, it's quite tough going up the sides. This camera doesn't do it justice, the steepness of it. So it'll be nice to see how Nigel copes with the steepness of it. We're going to go up the right hand side instead of the left. Hiya. Is there any shops up here?
Oh yeah, loads.
Yeah.
But you have to go over the top.
Over the what is not? Is it a spa?
Yes.
Oh, I don't like them. Too dear. All right. So we're going to cross this little wooden bridge. We're going to have a bit of a rest before we make the ascent. Oh. Ooh. Where we've come along this valley, so we're going up there. So we're going up State Pass up there. Go on, just stand there and I'll give you a picture for you. He wants one for his dating site. Plenty of fish.
Steak. Oh, Steak Pass.
State Pass.
I thought it was Snake Pass.
No, steak.
Oh.
Snake.
Well, I haven't said something.
Yeah, insanity.
You said
I said
I'll be telling you, I went up Snake Pass.
Snake Pass we're going up now.
Well, if I get up there, I'll feel like I've achieved something with my day instead of sat in the house watching telly.
I'll ask him that again in 20 minutes.
Get the burn in me, right? I put it in, I can't talk anymore.
So the ascent has started. It's quite steep.
Yeah, I won't want to fall down there.
So I walked along.
Yeah.
It's all you need, the sun coming out when you're on the middle of the climb. Oh, it's hot now. Take your time, son.
I've got a real burn on me.
Hey? You do. Come on, son, you can do it. Keep going. Keep going. You alright?
I think that's alright.
We're over halfway now.
Oh. Sit down for a minute.
Oh. You've done well to get this far.
Oh dear. Didn't think it was this hard.
No,
Not at all.
but it's your first one. Plus you are in your early 60s. Yeah, he's struggling now, but I've got to keep encouraging him. It's not easy first time. I'd say 75% to the top. Look at that guy, he's already. You see him? Yeah, a guy running down who just stood near us about 2 minutes ago. Whoa! I was just having a breather then and a jet flew over. What a noise! But I wasn't filming, so hopefully it come back this way. You know, I can't see it. But what a noise! Made us both jump, and it went right down that valley there. It'd have been fantastic if I could have got that on camera. Not far now, not far. It's his first walk and he's struggling. And when you're tired like that, you can't get your breath, your legs have gone to jelly, and you keep looking up that hill and you can't see an end of it. You can't see the end. It just seems like you're going on forever and ever and not getting anywhere. It's all in here. It's all in here to push yourself. And he's already said if it had been on his own he'd have turned back. So he's going on, he's fighting on. And the main thing is just getting to the top. If he gets to the top, it's a victory. It's a psychological victory in your head, because you've beat them demons that keep telling you to stop. And I said to him, I know how you feel. I know how you feel. I've been in that situation when I just want to turn back and say, fuck this. I've had enough of this. Keep going. Keep going. But I'm not going to get under his feet too much now. because he's in a bit of pain, breathing wise, and tired and whatever. So just got to let him fight his own little battle. I know it's not Everest. Before you start saying, look, you know, it's only a little hill. I know it's not Everest, but it's still steep. And for your first time, first walk, don't forget, we've all been in isolation for 6 months, not doing anything. England only opened up yesterday. Come on, son. Colin Bell. Think of Colin Bell. Think of Mark Lillis. I once wrote a letter to Mark Lillis when I was a young lad when he played for Man City. He was my hero. I wrote a letter. Never got back to me. I don't know what that's called. Anybody know? Bit of a peak up there. If you continue along here, I think it leads to Crinkle Crags and Bow Fell. You might get a view when we get to the top, but I think we're going to have to come back down this way because I wanted to go along the tops and come down at Dungeon Gill, but I think it's too far. But we're at the top now almost. It's like the landscape of the moon up here. Right, to get back to the Dungeon Gill, there's a pathway up there and over the top and over the top. But it's not going to happen, so we'll go back that way. We'll have a rest here and head back. That's it, son, you've made it.
Oh,
This is
it?
right. If we were to do what we were going to do, to go back to that Dungeon Gill,
You sit on the best fucking way.
first come first served.
Yeah.
You've got to go. See that path there,
Yeah.
and head back up there. Well, you're not going to. That's to get back.
Yeah.
But we're going to go back down.
Are you sure?
You not make it up there, Nigel.
Oh, I don't think I better get up there.
No, but just to there. See that path? It's 100 metres to top of that thing, and you should have a clear view
Well,
of.
you go up and tell me.
Oh, come and have a
Yeah.
look.
Give me a rest.
Look at that, desolate.
No.
Oh, he'll get back. He'll get used to this camera. Right, we're going to head back along the valley and try and find the waterfall. Look at him rushing ahead now, going down. When he was coming up, he was like an old man. I can't keep up with him now.
1900.
Look at these potatoes here that these sheep are eating. No, they're not potatoes, but similar.
Yeah.
Where have we got? I don't got any dogs. Oh, it's got a fence here.
No, you walk round it. Well, I hope so. It's just path.
All these sheep here.
It's probably going ready for a chop now.
We can't find that waterfall. We've given up. We're tired. I'll have a look next time.